half. And breaker bar and an 18 millimeter. And that was it. Everything to take the... Okay. This is the 05 Envoy. See down in there. I like to take this top plug off first here. This is not really the vent, that's what I call it. Before you get the bottom one. So that's a 14 millimeter, I believe. This one here is an 18. As you can see down in there, it is dry, dry, dry. And that's after about 190,000 miles. It's probably never been serviced. Take the top one out first. Okay, I'm going to be using a wrench on that because there really wasn't anything reaching in there with the socket on nothing, and it wasn't a 14. Ended up using a 1/2 inch box end because of all this corrosion here. It looks like it does have a number on the bolt. Well, that would make it metric. The numbers are metric, the lines are standard. If you ever get in that conundrum where you don't know what it is, if you can read it, read the bolt height, it'll tell you. And General Motors anyways. Most times the metrics will have the hardness stamp on them. And that's what the number is. We're going to see what color this stuff is. That's 187,000. That's your stock, you know, full synthetic, I think. That's what they call for in there. Looks like a mud pie. Oh me, oh my. We're going to let her go now. Me. That's also water. Besides a little bit of red, you can't tell if that's new oil. Just about right. What's that say? Just let her drain in there for a minute. And it takes a while. Disregard any gunshots.